Want to shop at ASDA in the UK without scanning everything at a traditional checkout? ASDA Scan and Go lets eligible customers scan products as they shop using the ASDA app or available in store scanning system. Start by opening the ASDA app and accessing the Scan and Go feature when it's available at your store. As you shop, scan each eligible product's barcode and keep an eye on your running total. When you are finished shopping, follow the app instructions to complete the checkout process. You may be asked to scan or show information from your phone when leaving the store, and some customers may be selected for an additional check. Make sure every item has been scanned correctly before completing your purchase. If you add an item without scanning it, or the barcode does not register properly, follow the app's instruction or ask an ASDA colleague for help. Scan and Go can make shopping quicker by letting you scan items as you move around the store and keep track of your spending availability. And exact procedures can vary between ASDA stores and the UK. So follow the instructions shown in the app and at your local store. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.